Welcome to my kitchen. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade chili. It's a pretty simple recipe and one you probably will enjoy. So if you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, stay tuned because it's homemade chili time. Thumbnail. This is what I'm going to be using this recipe. A pack of ground beef, some chili mix seasoning, some salt, a little bit of black pepper, 2 cans of these kidney beans here, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, tomato sauce basically, and basically a box of crackers. Don't forget you're going to need 1 onion. So I went ahead, opened my beans. I'm going to pour this whole can of beans into my kettle, and then I'm going to pour my other can of beans into my kettle. And any beans that's stuck inside, you can just take a spoon and get them out. So I take my can and fill it up with water, 1 full cup of water. Add it to the bean mix. Any extra beans usually come out with the water. After that, I take my diced tomatoes and pour into my bean mix, just like so. Then I'm going to fill one of my diced canned tomatoes soup old cans up with some water. Another cup of water and just pour it into my mix. So now I'm going to turn this on to low and let it simmer because I'm getting ready to cook my hamburger meat and my onion. So I add just a little bit of vegetable oil to my pan, and I'm going to open my hamburger meat and just add it straight to the pan, just like so. I went ahead and diced my onion up. We're going to add it right on top of the hamburger meat. Get our onion out of the bowl. I'm going to add just a tad bit of salt. That depends on you, how much salt you like. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Also depends on you. So now I'm going to fry this up. Cooking hamburger meat should be pretty simple. You should know how to do that. Some people like the hamburger meat on the well done side, and some people don't like it super well done. Just depends on you. Just go ahead and make sure your hamburger meat is completely done to your liking before you add it to your mix. So everything is looking good. I went ahead and drained all the juices out of this, so it's as dry as it can be. Now I'm going to add my chili powder here, seasoning mix, the whole bag straight to this. And I'm just going to let it simmer for a few minutes. Now that I got my hamburger meat done, I'm going to set this over to the side. Put this over here. You can turn this on and let it simmer. This is just starting to simmer right now. Now we're going to add a hamburger meat over into this. So now I'm going to mix this up extremely good. So the more you let this cook down, the thicker it's going to get. So pretty much boil it down to your liking. I done got me a bowl out. It's looking extremely good, so I'm going to give it time to cool off, and then we'll try it out. Let you know what I think. I've tried this many a times. It's an old recipe I do a lot, and it's a good recipe too. So we got it done. You can add crackers to it if you want to. That's what the box of crackers was for. Let's take a look how delicious this looks. Not only does it look delicious, it smells delicious. So let's go ahead and have a taste. It's still a little hot. Oh, that tomatoes and the beans and the hamburger meat goes so good together. And the cooler it gets, the more it will thicken up also. So delicious. Add you some crackers in this. Oh my. And you can add more stuff to this if you want to. You can add peppers, all kinds of different things. This is just a basic chili recipe. Simple, delicious, good to eat, good to enjoy. Don't forget you can put cheese on top of this too. Oh my. There's many ways to fix this. It's very good. Something if you ain't tried fixing chili this way, you need to. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this kind of chili if you do fix this recipe. Let me know how you fix your chili. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.